Yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, coming in, yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm not in my normal location. I'm actually at my condo. I have no time to film before Wednesday, which is tomorrow, because I work today. But I really wanted to just jump on really quick before and just kind of talk about where I've been for the past week, why I wasn't uploading, and some things, and some changes that I want to, make in my life. So the last week I was actually at WeFest. It was a lot of fun. I went with my family, one of my best friends. It was a lot of fun, but it was a long week. So I'm well rested now, ready to start making some videos. But I need to, have time to do that. So right now I don't have time. So I'm making a new video for y'all. I'm like really hot right now. I feel like it's like freaking Africa in here. I don't know. I'm just dying. Anyway, all life was good. WeFest was fun though. It was hot. I definitely died a couple days, but it was good. Now, on to the main part of this video. So I want to make some changes in my life. I just, I got to that point where I realized I really just need to crack down and make some lifestyle changes. So I am really passionate about being healthy and working out and making sure that you're eating right. Well, lately it just hasn't been going well. I've always been like a pretty big fitness person, I would say. I always worked out in high school. I was in competition dance. So I was always in like good shape. But then college hit. Took a toll. I stayed working out, but I can't find the right workouts for me. And I mean, nutrition plays a big part of it because lately I've just been eating out. I tried to meal prep, but I just spent way too much money. Like, I don't have the money to meal prep. I just couldn't do it. So that failed. And I just decided I'm not happy. I'm not comfortable in my body. And I want to make a change. And the only person that can do that is me. So I'm joining Orange Theory Fitness. A coworker of mine wanted me to try it with her. She's already done it. She's like a pro. But I decided to do it with her. I'm at first class Thursday. But I'm really excited because it's like a fitness class. So like I'll have like a trainer actually like telling me what to do, and she said she lost like 15 pounds in 3 months. So I mean, sign me up. But on a real note, I really do take nutrition and health seriously. I mean, I learned about it in school, so like I know how important it is. Like, can't be going into the nursing field and not be healthy. So let's be real. But yeah, if you haven't ever heard of Orange Theory, they have like a bunch of rowers, a bunch of treadmills, and like a weightlifting station. And you kind of like do cycles, and each workout is different, so it keeps your body like guessing on what workout you're gonna do. It's a great program. I'm like really excited to start it. I just really want to kick my ass in gear and get really healthy again, and just get to a point where I feel really confident in my body. So that is the big change I'm making in my life. If you guys have questions about Orange Theory, hit me up. I'll maybe know. But I'm excited. And then me and my friend did hot yoga last night, which I haven't done that in months. It was great. It was such like a good mind reliever. And like it just like releases all your stress, my toxins. I bet I sweated out all the alcohol from this last week. So that's kind of like all I really wanted to talk about. I really wish I had time to film, but I have to go home in order to do that. I've been thinking I kind of want to get another ring light, possibly another camera that I can keep here. That way I don't have to, always travel back and forth. So this might be the new backdrop. Anyway, I just wanted to come on here and chat with you guys and give you kind of an update on where I'm at in life. I'm almost done with school. I'm halfway done with this quarter. I'll graduate next year, June. So there's like a little update on where I'm at for that. So that's exciting. But yeah, I'm just ready to change my life, become healthier, and a happier version of me. I don't want this to be like an inspirational video, but if you got inspired, I really don't have anything else to talk about. So the lighting in here literally like sucks. I wonder how bad it's gonna look when I edit this. Anyways, I hope that you guys have had a great week without me. I've missed filming. I'm ready to get back into my routine and get some good videos out there for you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video.